Breaking news this morning, former Supreme Court Justice David Souter has died at the age of 85. He was appointed by President George H.W. Bush in 1990 and served until he retired in 2009. This morning, a look at his life and legacy.
If it were possible for me to express to you the realization that I have of the honor which the President has just done me, I would try, and I would keep you here as long tonight as I had to do to get it out.
At the time President George H.W. Bush nominated him to the U.S. Supreme Court, few would likely have described David Souter as surprising. But in his nearly 2 decades on the bench, this low-key New Englander surprised many, often siding with the court's more liberal justices. Born near Boston in 1939, Souter moved to his grandparents' New Hampshire farm at the age of 11. Souter returned to the secluded farm whenever he could, after graduating from Harvard, after becoming state attorney general, and after joining the New Hampshire Supreme Court.
Did you ask Judge Souter his views on abortion? Do you know what his views are?
During his 1990 Supreme Court confirmation, Souter was dubbed the stealth candidate due to his lack of rulings on hot-button issues. That changed when he came to Washington.
You're asking the court to adopt a standard, and I think we ought to know where the standard would take us.
In 1992, Souter sided with the majority in reaffirming a woman's right to an abortion in Planned Parenthood v. Casey. Less than a decade later, Souter sided with the minority in Bush v. Gore. The case ended Florida's ballot recount, thereby sealing George W. Bush's victory in the 2000 presidential election.
You're saying that they can't interpret a statute in which there is no explicit definition.
What I'm saying is...
They have to throw their hands up.
No, Justice Breyer, what I'm saying is that...
I'm Justice Souter. You better cut that out.
Souter stepped down in 2009, leaving what he once called the world's best job in the world's worst city. But Souter didn't retire, at least not fully. He went on to hear hundreds of cases as a judge on the Federal Appeals Court in Boston, just a short drive from his beloved New Hampshire home.
Thank you for watching. Subscribe below and download our NewsNation app right now on your phone, and you will get fact-based, unbiased news for all Americans.